How to convert volume button to power button. So if you want to convert your volume button to your power button, then you just need to simply open up your Play Store. You need to go with the search. Under search, you need to search for volume to power button. And here you will get all of the applications that will provide you to switch your volume button to your power button. So you can simply choose any option that you are comfortable with. So for example, I'll be choosing the first one. Once you choose them, now by a single press, you can adjust your volume up actions or volume down actions, and you can also double press to get all of those actions. If you go with the settings of the application, then you'll be able to change to whichever option you're comfortable on changing that. So this is the only way that you can convert your volume button to your power button, but instead of downloading any other applications, you don't have any other options. So in this way, you'll be able to convert your volume button to your power button. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.